Artificial intelligence is changing many things. It is also changing video editing. AI can do many tasks that humans used to do. For example, AI can cut video clips, add music, and create special effects. This new technology makes video editing faster and easier for everyone. Many people use video today. Businesses use video for marketing. Individuals share videos on social media. AI makes it possible for anyone to create professional videos. This is true even if they have never edited videos before. AI offers many advantages. It can save video editors a lot of time. AI can do repetitive tasks. Editors can focus on more creative work. This speeds up the entire process. AI can also help people be more creative. AI tools can suggest different ways to edit a video. They can also offer new ideas. This can help editors to be more creative. AI tools are becoming more affordable. Many are available for free. This means that more people can use these powerful tools. Video editing is no longer limited to professionals. Many AI video editing tools are available today. Some popular options include Adobe Premiere Pro, Capwing, and Pictory. These tools offer a variety of features. They can automatically transcribe audio, remove background noise, and generate subtitles. These tools are always improving. New features are being added all the time. AI is a rapidly evolving field. We can expect to see many more innovations. AI will play a larger role in video editing in the future. More powerful tools will become available. These tools will make video editing even easier and more creative. AI will not replace human video editors. Instead, it will free them. Editors can focus on higher-level tasks. They can focus on storytelling. AI will handle the technical work. AI video editing is an exciting development. It has the potential to change how we create and consume video content. It is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to tell their story.